Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you the meaning of slurp. Slurp is usually when you make a loud noise, especially like this. You do this when you are drinking water with a straw or eating noodles. Slurping is a bad habit, so we should never ever slurp. Let me give you an example of slurping. You might have heard or read the story Soup Party in your childhood. In this story, the cunning fox serves the soup in two flat plates, from which the stork could not drink the soup with his long beak. However, the fox, on the other hand, slurped the soup and then bid the stork goodbye. Thank you. Meet you tomorrow with new video. Bye.